what is the step now? We need to adjust the hero content position, but we have already done that, right? Everything is appearing in the right place, as you see. So we have finished that also. And now we need to go to customize through the SAS file, the header SAS file, our H1 and then the P and then the button. Let's go and do that. So here in our header SAS file, let's put the hero content like that, because this is where we will change everything. And we will say an H1, and we will also say another one for brand name, because this one will be styled separately. But of course there are common things that will be within all the H1 content. So let's come here and say that the font family that we need will be the $P font. Let's go and see how is that translated. Well, that's what we want. We need this font, not the other one. But for the color also, as you see, the color is so pale. I don't know what is that, just like text muted or something. So let's turn it into not white, but the primary color, which is a smoke white, something like that. So the color will be $primary color. Yeah, it is better now. And we want to style that to have a font family of Addenda Mela. I don't know, it's something like that. Let's come here and say that the font family so yep, that's it. We have it here. Just like the styling of the fonts we need to change the sizes of the fonts to make it look the same like this one. As you see, the styling of this need to be smaller than this one, the size. So let's go and do that. We will come here and we will say that for the H1, we will give it a font size of 3.5. We will give the font weight 500, and we will give it a text shadow of 2 pixel, and this color that looks like a black. Let's see now what are the results for that. So yep, we have it here like this, and we need now to work on the font size for this one and make it bigger. Once we change this background, the black background, you will see that the box shadow is giving it a good effect. So now let's come here and give this one a font size of 1.4, and the font weight will be 600. Now let's see what are the results for that. So yep, this is the result that we want. As you see, this is far better. And now let's decorate this one too to see the outcome. So out of the H1, we will make our P and we will give it a font size of 1.7, which may look like the same or even more than the brand name, but the brand name, remember, it's an H1, so it doesn't have the same sizes measurements as the paragraph one. So let's see now our content. Yep, so now we have it and we have the color like this, but as you see, the color needs some changes. So let's go and change the colors of that. So now we have it. So this is all that we want for the H1 and for the paragraph. And the last thing, of course, we will work on improvements later, but now it is a good result, satisfying one. Let's go now and style this, but before that, let's go, before we forget, and say what did we do. So we styled the H1, that's true. And we styled the paragraph, that's true too. The point now that we want to style the button, this one will need a lot of work, so I want you to focus because we will do it together. So now let's make the button, and remember that this will be moved to the general or the global part soon, because this one will be general styling. So for the button, we need it to be like this. We need an explore class name, because this one is the thing that will just like make our button unique. So we will style this whenever it has this class name, it will have all of these stylings. And also we need to make something for the hover part, like that. Let's now see what will happen. So let's be interested in the font first. So we will say a font size of maybe 1.8 EM, I guess. Let's go and see that. Well, not bad. And for the font weight, will be 600. And for the font style, will be italic, like that. Well, I guess this is not bad. The font will be a lot better when you put just like a little spacing, like maybe 2 pixels, let's see. So yes, like that, but it's a little bit so much. So let's make it like 1.5 pixel or 1.2 pixels, like that. The little spacing makes some space between the letters, like this. And for the color, we don't need this color. I guess we need the white color. Yep, like that. We also need the background color to be like orange, I guess. Yeah, orange. And the border radius will be about 12 pixels. So yep, now we have it here. What else we should do? Let's see. We haven't put the border color also. So I guess the border color should be orange too. And this will have a reason soon. And for the font family, we haven't put the font family too. We want it to be the P font, like that. So hooray, we have the button here, and I guess everything is fine. It has a good view, and let's now put the hover for it. I guess we also need to transform the text into the uppercase. This will make a better. Yeah, you see, the uppercase is doing great. For the hover, we just need to make the border color look like orange, and for the background color, I think to be transparent, that's all. So we will make it look transparent, like that. Let's see so we have the border color will be the same, orange, but just like for the transition effects or something like that, I need to put it here and here, because if I didn't put it here, it will appear suddenly. But this way, I guarantee that it will have a transition. So let's see now. Yep, as you see, we have the transition here. The background become transparent and the border color is orange as it is. So I guess now we have finished making the button, and let's go and mark that done. Oh, I'm very happy that this all is done. So we style the H1, the B, the button here. And now we need to style the header background. So let's see if there is anything that is left. I guess there is nothing left here, only the background, which is the Illustrator work. So focus with me because the next lesson is very, very important.